Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the YTD men's Jacquard casual t-shirt and shorts set. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like up close, try them on, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get the bag open here, get them out, see the design, size large, 6'1", 165 pounds, 33 waist to give you an idea. Pretty standard here, collar, normal, sleeve, everything's kind of basic. Show you the fabric up close so you get a feel for it. Slight stretch to it. And then as far as the shorts, we'll have pretty decent pockets on the sides. No rear pocket. As you can see, the waistband pretty standard. Drawstring, kind of like a metal tip. They're not actually metal probably, but plastic probably, but metal look. Again, large. So we'll get them washed up, try it on, and take it from there. All right, so belly button is here, waist is here. Very comfortable set. Looks great, plenty of stretch. Feels good, neck is comfortable. Waistband is nice and loose if needed. Can use the long drawstring to tie it if needed. I don't actually need it, but good length. Pockets are real nice. So overall, a really nice kind of matching set. So you know, if you're looking for something with a little bit of design rather than just your standard, you know, black or something like that, this is a really nice set. Arm length is good. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.